Evening, folks. We're live at 9:54, running a 3-winner mini for Jade's Leia figures. I got 22 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Paste them in here. 22 of them going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 5. So we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Wayne takes round 1. Juan 2. Dustin 3. Dustin takes round 4. And our winners are Juan, Ron, and Dustin. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code. EDVYPC. There it is. I am done at 9:55. There they are. There those are. Congratulations again. See you next time, guys. Thanks.